Now we will continue to talk about more superlative sentences. I will still use the dialogue from more comparative sentences video lesson. Let's look at the superlative-related sentences from the dialogue. You probably noticed that I used the sentence, "He is one of the most talkative guys in the entire family." The meaning of this sentence is different from saying he is the most talkative guy in the entire family. In the first sentence, I am suggesting that there are very talkative guys in my family, and he is one of them. The sentence pattern is subject, be verb, one of the, superlative adjective, plural noun. It is important to make this noun plural because my brother is not the only talkative one. There are other talkative people in my family too. Let's look at a couple more examples that aren't related to my conversation. There are many famous cities in the world: Paris, London, Hong Kong, Dubai, etc. New York City is one of them too. So we can say, New York City is one of the most famous cities in the world. Most famous is a superlative of famous, and city becomes the plural cities. Another example, Helen is one of the smartest people that I know. I know a lot of smart people, and Helen is one of them. Smartest is a superlative for smart, and person becomes people for plural. I hope these examples help you understand the sentence pattern. We have one last superlative sentence. This one is a little confusing, so pay attention carefully. In the conversation, my friend said, "I've never seen a more handsome guy." In this sentence, you see more handsome and you think, oh, it's a comparative adjective, handsome to more handsome. But then you see never, and this is actually a change in the meaning. The meaning of this sentence becomes a superlative. It is the same as saying, he is the most handsome guy. This sentence is more frequently used in conversations. The sentence pattern is subject, present perfect, never, comparative adjective, noun. Let me give you some more examples. She is taking a test, and it's extremely hard. It's possible to say she has never taken a harder test. This means that in her opinion, this is the hardest test. Notice the comparative harder and the present perfect plus never, has never taken. Another example is a group of people are eating very spicy noodles. It's probably the spiciest noodles that they have ever eaten because they have to drink a lot of water. I can say, they have never eaten spicier noodles. Spicy becomes spicier. Also, I used present perfect plus never, have never eaten.